Okay, here we are today with Nango for another adventure of show and tell. Today, Nango, what did you bring for us?
A teddy monkey
A teddy monkey. Wow.
named Luna.
Her name is Luna.
I copy Netflix.
You copy from.
Movie again.
Oh, you get.
Name PJ Masks.
Oh, okay, so you get.
The bad guy is kind of like the name is lovely, so I copy.
Then you call her Luna.
Yes,
Yes, is it a she or a he?
she.
She, okay. And she have her mask on today?
You the one who put on.
Yeah. We don't want her to get the COVID, huh? We want to protect her.
Very funny.
Okay. And can we get a good look at her face?
You want me to take off the mask?
No, stand her up because we cannot see her eyes and her pretty face. Stand her up. Yeah, put her head down. Put her head down a little more. We cannot see her.
Can you not?
No, because her head is like looking up. Oh, okay. Okay, so tell us about her. Where did she come from?
She come from New Year gift
A New Year gift. What year was that?
this year.
This year, and who gave it to you?
We guess who? Like it has NaPhat, Luna, and Layla, and I get Luna, so I get this toy and
Bring it for them?
hmm?
But who gave you that toy? Mom, Dad, Uncle,
No.
Aunt? Who buy you that toy? Who buy Luna for you?
It's like guess, like and see who name is it. We get present from who name.
Yes, but who buy you the toy? Who buy
A
this?
boy,
Huh?
boy.
Who buy? Mom, Dad, Uncle?
No,
Huh?
a boy.
Oh, a boyfriend?
No,
Who? Which boy was this?
my mom friend.
Oh, your mom's friend. So you say your mom's friend, not a boy. Was he a man? He was a man? A friend of your mom?
The friend of my mom, but he's still a kid.
Oh, he's still a kid. Oh, okay. So it was a friend of your mom. Is it your friend that you want to study with? You don't know this boy? You never see him before?
I seen him before.
Oh, did you say thank you?
It's a guess.
Huh?
It's a guess.
It's a guest, but you still say thank you.
I can't remember.
I'm sure you say thank you because normally you have good manners. Yes? I think you have good manners. And so tell me where Luna sleep. What do you do with Luna? Give me a story about Luna.
Sometimes I hold her when I sleep, but when I can't sleep because she too big to stay on the top of me. So I'll put at the back of me.
Okay, at your feet.
Yeah.
You put at the end of the bed. You say at the end of the bed.
Yes.
Sometimes she's at the head of the bed. And then sometimes when you cannot sleep, you have to put her at the end of the bed.
Yeah, but mostly at the back.
The end of the bed. You
The
put her
end
at
of
the
the
end.
bed.
Yes, okay.
Mostly.
Mostly she has to sleep back there? And who sleep with you?
Mom.
Huh? But what toy? You have so many
No.
animals.
No, I don't sleep with the toy. I sleep.
You don't only Luna? Only Luna get to sleep in the bed? Huh?
And Layla.
And Layla? Okay, so Luna and Layla, the only two that sleep in the bed with you.
No. And Fu Fair Finn.
Oh, Fu, Fair, and Finn. Oh.
And Crystal.
And Crystal.
I think. I can't remember much.
How many people sleep in your bed? You got you, Mom.
I think Crystal this time. Imagine this is a bed and Crystal here.
Yeah?
This is the bed.
Yeah?
This is the bed, and over here Crystal.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's not on the bed yet.
Oh, he's on the floor next to the bed.
Yes,
He's next to the bed.
he between the car.
The cabinet or the dresser, the wardrobe,
The
wardrobe with your clothes.
yeah. Put
That's the wardrobe.
wardrobe
Yes, he's between the wardrobe
and the bed.
and the bed. I
Yeah.
got it. Okay. So, and sometimes the monkey get to sleep in the head of the bed, but most of the time he sleep at
The back.
the back of the bed or the foot of the bed. Okay? The foot of the bed. And how about Layla? Where's Layla sleep?
The last.
Between you and Mom?
No. At the back.
At the back? At the foot of the bed too? She sleep with the bear at the back? With the monkey?
The last of the bed.
The end of the bed?
Yes.
The end of the bed or the foot of the bed?
Every doll I put on the bed have to be at the end of the bed.
Oh, so they all sleep at the foot of the bed. Okay? All your dolls sleep at the foot of the bed. Okay. Anything else? Has Luna has traveled with you?
Travel
Yeah.
with that.
Has it been to Switzerland or anywhere?
No.
No, because she's not going nowhere yet this year. So you've only had her only 3 months. So she's new to the family. Does she have any of your clothes? That's your clothes too? So you like to give your dolls your clothes? Oh.
But this is not the doll clothes.
It's not the doll clothes?
Yes.
It's your clothes? Yes?
This is not This is not my clothes. This is
Oh,
my clothes
okay.
and my underpants again.
Okay. So you give all your toys.
Oh, my shirt.
Your shirt, yes. Yeah. So what's on the shirt? What's on the shirt?